Now try this one. A convex lens of refractive index is given. Focal length is given 20 centimeters when it is in air. Now the lens is immersed in a liquid of refractive index 2. Now they ask him to find the new focal length and nature of the lens is. Yeah, so initially case 1, first case focal length. So this is 1 by f1. Initial medium is a air only. So it will come to be what element of 3 by minus 1 into, we can say this as 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. And second case 1 by f2, which is equal to what element of 3 by 2 by refractive index of a medium given now, that is 2 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Right. Now if you have taken the ratio between these two, will come it as what will be now f2 by f1, which will be 3 by 2 minus 1 means 1 by 2. This, the term will get cancelled. 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 will get cancelled. Here this is 3 by 4 minus 1 will come it as what, tell me now, minus 1 by 4 now. So that means which is minus 2. Now initial focal length, so that is f2 is equal to minus 2 times of f1. f1 is 20 given, and which is equal to minus 20 centimeters. Right.